Good morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And today I thought I'd do something in my little Inchy glue book. I've saved a bunch of Inchies up and categorized them. I've got people, some plants. I've got some patterns. What else have I got? I'm not sure what this one is, but we'll find out. And this one is just colors and scrapbook papers. So let's just pick a few from each one. Why don't we do that? I don't think I have any circle people. Let's do some circle people. And what's this one? Oh, this is objects. We can do some objects. We'll pick a few objects. I don't want to put them all on today. Save some for another day. And this is patterns. Pick a few patterns. Looks like some of them are circles too. And then we have some scrapbook paper, which I don't think we'll use today. And what is this one? Flowers. Okay, let's pick a few flowers. Alright, now we're just going to go through our book and figure out where everything goes. So this page of flowers is full, so we'll go on to this page. I'll get a gluing paper out. I still have not come up with a different gluing solution yet, but that's alright. What did we say? Flowers, right? Flowers, okay. So let's go ahead. I can do either side. I guess we'll do yellow because I know I'm going to have a lot of purples and pinks because those are my favorites. So can you see what I'm doing? There. That's going to go there. Get my glasses on. Got some more flowers. Pinks. See, there's some pinks. I hope you're all happy. I hope you're doing something that you enjoy doing today. More yellow. Let's put that one back. Here's a white pink. White pink. White circle. And these are all inches. Inch squares or inch circles. There's another circle. That I could use this for the bird one even. Look at that. Can you see that? It's a bird. Or a white flower. Let's skip that one for now. We'll do this pink flower. So today is a beautiful day. I've walked the dog. I even hung up my laundry outside today. And, oh, here's a purple. We don't have a purple down. Alright. So we've got purple now. I'll put that one right here. And it is a gorgeous day. Let's do the white one again. I'm going to put all of these on, but I wanted to spread the colors out a little bit, I think. And yeah, we're covering up the bird. So that's going to go there. And this one, actually, I think we'll just go ahead and put there. So that's it for... Maybe we should finish the row. Get one more and finish the row. Let's do that. Where's my flowers? Here we go. Find a color that we haven't got yet, maybe. See what I mean about the pinks and the purples? That's mainly what I got. We don't have... That's kind of a reddish color. Let's go ahead and put that there. And we'll save these for another day. I could even put these on like a purple page or something like that. I don't have too many red flowers. I think I'm going to need to look for some. Yeah, and this is new glue that I'm using, and It dries very quickly and it's got a good hold, and it's just Pen and Gear, which I think is Walmart brand, but I am not sure. Objects. Alright. A red chair, or is that orange? Orange chair. Do you have an inchy book? Do you like to do just like glue books like this, or do you rather have like a theme? Well, not a theme. What am I trying to say? Like a scene kind of glue book. Hot air balloon. I like both, but sometimes I don't have an idea for a scene or the time to like look through, and there's some keys to really, put a good scene together. So this is fun. Gives me a chance to chat with you guys. There's a pillow. And these I could have used on a yellow page, but I don't think I have. I just have a green page in this book. I didn't do all the different colors. So now we have patterns, and I've got 2 of the exact same pattern, which I won't put on there. Where's patterns? Faces. Oh, well, let's do the faces first, I guess. We got, this page is full. So I got some pretty famous faces here. Let's see. Kate, William, their daughter, Camilla, Prince Charles. These 2 are married. John Legend and Chrissy Teigen. Well, there's another one of the royal kids. Whoopi. Can't forget about Wolfie. This guy played Ken, and he's also in a funny show called Kim's Convenience. There's the other royal kid. Oprah and Derek somebody. Houghton? Derek. I forget. I forget his last name. Sorry, Derek. But he's a famous person. I'm sure all the others were famous too, but I just don't know who they are. And these guys, I have no idea who they are. Oops, there's 2. I have no idea who these guys are. They might just be like the authors of articles in a magazine, is what I'm thinking. And I think we can fit 4 across. I think I picked these because I could use my 1-inch circle punch and it worked perfectly. So there's those guys. Patterns. What have we got for patterns? Okay, we got that whole page done, and we have this one already, so I guess we'll save that for another day too. Let's go to the next page. This is just kind of random, mindless gluing, honestly, which isn't a bad thing. Like I said, it's something you can do quick. And you feel like you're doing something kind of creative. There. Oops. Alright. Not much is going on around here. We went to the dog park yesterday and met 3 pugs and a chihuahua, and they were all from the same family. One of the pugs was 16 years old, and he was still going strong. I mean, he wasn't as active as the younger pugs, but he was doing good. So, oh, here's an interesting pattern one. Where'd it go? My fingers are sticky. There it is. I don't even know if that is a pattern, but it's interesting. So let's put that down. Yeah, he wasn't as like quick as the younger ones, but he was still enjoying his life, and I thought, oh, I hope my little Dobby lives to be 16. He's going to be 10 in December, so I'm starting to worry about, losing him, because he's so sweet. And I I might as well finish this objects page. I really don't want to lose him. He's brought a lot of joy into our lives, and I think we've brought some joy into his life too. Alright, let's go ahead and finish up this objects. I'll have to come up with some more objects. Pillows. Lots of pillows. This is like a little birdhouse. I think it was from a calendar. Okay. That one doesn't look as big as that one, but I guess it is. Cut it from the same punch, so. So I saw another crafter had a paper punch that made like the corners of tags. Like this. You could just put it in there and make perfect corners. And I looked on Amazon and I thought that's what I was getting. Because I saw this and I didn't notice, I guess, that these corners are very decorative. So I'll show you guys how this works at the end of the video. And I don't think I put these close enough together, and I don't think I can move them now. So let's do another pillow over here. Some owl socks. My daughter Bethany has some owl socks. They're blue though. Put that, or they might be mittens. Actually, I think these are mittens. They look short. And another pillow. And buffalo check deer. Actually, it's a plaid deer, not buffalo check. And I think there is a hair on it, which I don't want in my book. So that goes there. And we are done with this little book. So now I will show you how this works. I haven't actually tried it on paper yet, but I have tried it on this. So let me show you how it works on this. We'll do one of each. See how pretty that is? Let's do, these two are toppers. Let's do this corner. They're pretty. And now, like, I would put this like this to get, I don't know if, I think it has to be skinny. It has to fit inside the lines. I think that's what it was. So let me get a skinnier one. See if I can make it out. Let's see. Here's one. This is a homemade one. I think we'll just go ahead and let's do this one. There, see? It's got like a little slot. And then this is just, yeah, it doesn't cut this part. It's just doing this, the hole. And so this one, we could put, well, no, we tried that one, didn't we? We'll just move it over to the side a little bit. And there we have a little hole, which I don't need it for that because I've got my crocodile. And it's obviously not going to cut that slot on here. It's got to fit in this little area here. But let's try it with a piece of like regular paper. This is just like regular copy paper. Let's do the corners and see how it works out. It worked perfectly. It didn't get hung up or stuck or anything. Okay. That one did get stuck a little bit, but I think it would be okay. And then let's cut a piece out to see how the tag toppers work. So it worked perfectly for that. And so all in all, I'm happy with this. And even though I really just wanted to get straight corners, this will make my tags a little fancier even. So yeah, but it just does have to fit. I think these lines tell you how big it can be, maybe? I wonder just how big it could be. Let's see if it works with this. Well, it worked with that. I wonder if this was just too thick. It is very thick, but not that thick. So that works on paper. This must just be too thick. And maybe a little too wide? Oh no, it worked. I wonder why it didn't work before. That's strange. Oh well, it's working now. So there you have it. It's working now on everything we tried. So that's just my little review, the Punch Bunch. I would suggest getting it if you're wanting these fancy corners and this slot thing here. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you again next time. Bye-bye.